In this video, you will learn how to use Microsoft Excel on a PC to create a scatter plot to show the relationship between two sets of numerical data. For this example, we will use age and average height of children. I have entered the age in years in the first column and height in centimeters in the second column. Highlight both columns, click on the Insert tab, and then choose Scatter Plot. To add a trend line, you can right-click on any of the data points and then select Add Trend Line. The default will be linear, and if you would like to display the equation on the chart, click Display Equation on Chart. If you would like to move the location of your equation, you can simply select it and then move it. To add axis labels, make sure your chart is highlighted, choose Chart Design, and then under Add Chart Element, choose Add Title, Axis Titles, so you can rename the primary horizontal and primary vertical axes from here. So in this case, the horizontal axis title is age in years. The vertical axis title is height in centimeters. If you would like to change the title of your graph, click on the title and then type in your text. In this case, it is child, age, and average height. And there you have it. Thank you for watching.